Elements of Literature, Part 3, Theme. Hey guys, Mr. Bjerk here with another amazing video. This video is the third and final video in our Elements of Literature series, and we will be talking about theme. Theme can be a little bit tricky to figure out, so just consider this video an introduction. In class this week, we will be reviewing and talking more about theme, as well as characterization and plot. Since this is the last video in this video series, you can expect that there may be a quiz on this topic sometime in the near future. So make sure that you're taking notes and that you write down any questions that you have. Enjoy! Let's jump right into theme. What is it exactly? After all, every story has one. Any ideas what a theme is? Well, the theme is the underlying central idea or message that runs through a work of literature. A more precise way to say it is, the theme is the message that runs through a story. Now, theme and topic are two things in a story that often get mixed up. Theme is different from a topic. A topic answers the question, what is this story about? But the theme answers the question, why was this story written? What is that author trying to teach us? Here are a few examples of common themes. Don't judge people based on their appearances. You've heard this one a million times. It's the old, don't judge a book by its cover adage. Others include Beauty of Simplicity, Circle of Life, Death, Inevitable or Tragic, Injustice, Necessity of Work, and that's just to name a few. The list of possible themes is nearly endless. Now, let's look at an example and see if you can figure out the theme. This is a summary of Jerry Spinelli's novel Stargirl. See if you can find the theme. When Stargirl Caraway comes to Mika High School, Leo Borlock is fascinated by her uniqueness. She dresses differently, plays the ukulele at lunch, and does random acts of kindness every day. At first, Stargirl is very popular, and she and Leo fall in love. But soon, the students of Mika High School start making fun of her differences. Leo asks Stargirl to start acting normal. But she knows that her special qualities make her who she is. After enchanting all the students, including Leo, at the Octillo Ball, Stargirl disappears. Leo is upset and spends the rest of his life regretting his treatment of Stargirl and trying to find her again. What is the theme? Well, the theme for this story is that it is important to accept people for who they are. So again, the theme is the message that an author wants us, the reader, to understand or learn after reading. Themes are very general and don't mention specific characters or events from the story. Let's look at one more example. Victor was so disappointed. He had wanted the day to be sunny so that he could paint a cheerful watercolor to give to his sister. But the sky was gray, and the clouds over the water made the whole world seem like it was wrapped in fog. The more he looked, the more the grays seemed to have colors. Very pale yellows and purples and pinks. He took his paints out and looked carefully at the clouds and water. Slowly, he painted what he saw. he wound up with a painting that wasn't so gloomy or sad, but full of surprising color and light. What do you think the theme is for this short story? Write it down. If you said that you thought the theme was something like beauty can come from unexpected places, you'd be right. Yeah, that is the theme. Even though it wasn't the sunny day he wanted, he still found beauty in that day. Anyway, guys, that brings us to the end of this introduction of theme. This week, we will be spending a lot of time talking about this, as well as all the other elements of literature, so that you can all be masters. Make sure you write down any questions you have, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.